Hey guys, so I decided that to switch off my camera to my camera that I usually film because my vlogging camera kind of sucks and it's pretty old and it's just a regular Canon something camera, which I don't really vlog. So if I do want to do vlogging, I would buy like a camera for vlogging. But tonight we are just going to Margaritaville at Pier Park. We're just gonna eat dinner with my boyfriend and his family, and here is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this romper from New Dress, and then my shoes are just the shoes that I always wear. And so yeah, it was actually raining in the afternoon, but it stopped now, so yeah. Anyways, I'm just cleaning up right now, and I don't know, I hate leaving my room when it's like dirty, because I don't want to come back, you know, seeing all this dirty stuff and then I have to clean. So I'm just kind of like tidying it up a little bit. So yeah, anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Bye. So right now I'm just outside the balcony from the master bedroom, and you can see the beach over. Oh my god, I just touched something really wet. You can see the beach over there, which is just like across the street. And so yeah, it's pretty nice. I will actually miss this place. Are at a mini golf. Putt.
And she's losing.
Shut up, I'm not losing. I've never played this game before. So.
She's lying, she's a ringer.
Whatever. And it's really hot, so we're sitting in a shade. What are we doing for lunch? I don't want to get B-dubs. I want to try something different. Wait, what do I... What? Hey guys, so it's our last school day here in Florida, and we are just hanging out at the beach today. And it's pretty nice here right now. I'm seriously going to miss this place. I mean, yes, I know I get the beach in California too, but this beach is a lot nicer and I can actually swim in it. So yeah, I mean, just look how pretty and peaceful it is. And I put a new flash tattoo. This one faded real quick. Yeah, it's so pretty. I don't really want to leave and go back. And then when I go back, I'll be in Indiana for about a week, and then I'm going to go back to California. So it looks really good. I love a man that can cook.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Grill.
Shut up, grill, whatever. Same shit. We're walking on the beach. It's our last night here, and I don't know if you guys can see the sunset. It's setting down. What is it? Oh, okay. So yeah, we're gonna go see Terminator. How much? What movie number is that? The fourth one?
3.
No, it's not. Is it?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah.
I thought it was like the fourth one or something. But yeah, oh my god! And I'm just being carried like a mermaid. What?
Too much strenuous activity.
I think his what? Sunburnt. I know I got a little bit sunburnt too, but it doesn't really show because I'm already dark. But it's so nice here. We don't want to leave. Ooh, I found this seashell. We should just do seashell hunting. It's getting dark though. Look, we found a lot of sand dollar earlier in the ocean. It was actually nice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my vlog so far. I know it's been pretty boring because I haven't really done anything but talk to you guys, but yeah.
Look, Big Bird's foot.